Welcome to another YouTube video, and today we're gonna learn how to connect two computers using a switch and I'll explain how communication works stepwise. So first you have to add devices to our workspace as usual. So let me choose a switch. For the start, I'll choose this switch 2950, put it on the workspace, and also drag two pieces onto the workspace, PC0, PC1, but I'll just change the name. I'll change this to PC2 and this one to PC1. I believe that's much better. So now we have to choose the connection cables, and in this case we're going to use the copper straight through cable. And you remember that a switch is used to connect multiple devices within the same network. So I choose the automatic connector, but we all know that we use the copper straight through cable to connect devices of these different types. Connect PC2 to the switch, and whenever the reading is green here, it means that the connection is, they are connected to the PC. The PC is connected to the switch, I can say. So now the next step is to assign the IP address to the different PCs. Now we come to PC1, desktop, IP configuration, and I'll choose the IP address 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask. Let me close, and I'll also come to PC2, IP configuration, and I'll give it 192.168.1.2 and the no .2, and I'll choose this subnet mask. And don't worry, I like using this certain IP address. So now we have to check the connection, whether the connection is working between the two PCs, which goes through the switch. And for these two computers to communicate, for PC1 and PC2 to communicate, they must be on the same network, which means that the network part of the IP address must match. And the network part of the IP address is this 192.168 and 1. You have to have the same network part for both PCs for the connection to work. Now we have to test the connectivity. So in this case, I'll go to PC1 and open command prompt, and the usual word we use is ping. We have to ping, then use the IP address of the computer too, which is 192.168.1.2. Then you click enter, and whenever you get the replies, in this case, it means that the connection is working. It means that the two computers can communicate in this case, and this means that PC1 can send data to PC2 through the switch, and for the switch to get the message to PC2, you have to check the MAC address. The switch receives the data and it checks the destination MAC address. It then forwards the data to the correct port where PC2 is connected, and this makes communication efficient and avoids unnecessary traffic. And in this case, we can look at how the package is sent through from PC1 straight through the switch, then to PC2, and we go to simulation. Then I'll pick just a simple package like this from PC1, then it's going to PC2. Then I'll click play here, and you can see how the movement works between the two PCs. So the package comes from PC1, goes direct to the switch. The switch checks the right MAC address, then sends it to the PC2 to the correct port. And now here the PC2 is sending back the message to confirm that it received the sent data. So that's basically how the communication works between the two PCs. You have to pause this one. Yeah. And also you can have here on real time, you can see that the status is successful, which means that your connection is really working. Yeah, that's how you connect two computers using a switch. And this switch allows devices in the same network to communicate easily and efficiently. And it's basically one of the important concepts in networking. So I'll show you how you can check the MAC addresses in the next video. So we'll catch up later in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like, and share. Thank you.